This week's real estate and mortgage rate update. This one's going to focus on housing. So let's jump into the rates here for the week. What is going on? There we go. So 6.61 30-year fixed national average. That's as of today. We've been kind of, tight range of trading. Let me show you what's been going on here. But I think there's some optimism that we can take a look from the chart. So as a reminder, each of these represents a day of trading. Green and up is good for rates. We kind of peaked right here in the lower mortgage rates. What that means and what we saw as a result was an increase in refi applications. Started to trend lower. However, if we can remain above this floor here, then that becomes a floor of support and we have a lot of upward room to this next ceiling. And if we draw kind of a trend line from the bottom here, and it's not drawing for me, you can kind of imagine a line going from, there we go, a line going from there. It's building this floor here. In addition to this trend, we're also seeing, these moving averages that are also creating support. So again, if we can continue to move above this floor here, which we broke through just temporarily, and we're trading above it right now, if we can continue above this, then we should see some upward room, which benefits mortgage rates. The big news of this week is the Jackson Hole, Wyoming meeting of the Fed governors. And this is going to dictate, a lot of different monetary policy coming up. I think there's people on the sidelines waiting to hear from Jerome Powell on Friday as they conclude that meeting. So it'll be interesting to see if we can maintain this upward momentum. And then, as I mentioned early, new home construction for July, permits are down fairly significantly, almost 3% month over month, down almost 6% year over year. And this is the kind of the future of building. So starts are looking good, but a lot of these were in multifamily. So it won't really contribute to the single family construction. Completions was really strong at 6% month over month, and that was single family primarily. So we've seen an increase in current inventories, but with this permit and lower builder confidence, it's likely that we're going to see that start to taper off. And really, builders are saying there's just a lack of buyer demand because of higher mortgage rates, and they're pressing for the Fed to cut rates, not only from an affordability standpoint for construction, new home construction, but the trickle-down effect that it will help with mortgage rates as well. So that's where things are at from a home supply standpoint. Stay tuned for the next weekly update.